guys. Oh, I'm dying.
Yep, you are.
So today we'll be doing another update video. My sister, 15 or more levels. She currently has no weapon because she doesn't really need it. Because I'll just be running through the dungeon. We have made it to King's Castle. Sadly, we've gotten 0 legendaries. Alright, sister, join me and let's see what we get. Oh, you got, oh, yeah, there's one. For healing. Yeah, I give her a universal heal. Let's go test her damage. Now, it'll be better in one level, because I gave her level 71 overpowered level. She's probably gonna, she might be out of the novice area.
Levril?
Levril. Let's be when grinding with perfection. Now, that's not the best idea for items, but we'll get items soon here going normally. No, we're gonna test on a novice just in case you're not.
Do it!
Wait. Go to your inventory and equip your phantom flames that I gave you.
My phantom flame?
Yeah, it's like an orb. It's like a blue orb. Yeah, purple blue orb. Purple green orb. Purple green orb.
Purple white?
Purple.
Yes!
Purple colored. Purple. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. Equip it on Q. On Q.
Okay.
Now test your damage. Use Q. Oh damn. Okay. With your new staff, that'll do way more damage, but, cause this guys have millions of HP, so that's not even close to enough. Alright, let's do this. Okay, guys, let me see Punk Sewers. I'm an epic pro. I got 1 level on GT.
And I am going to get 1 level because I need that level. And because my brother can speed
run. You're just you're halfway to level anyways. These things hurt. Like, look at their damage. Oh, shit.
Oh, flip, yo!
Hit me. Oh, he died. Here, hit me. 2,000 damage. 3,000 damage. You're gonna get one shot by these guys.
Well, that was just sad.
We didn't even get to go through Pirate Island. Our levels are up to level 70 in air defense. We see it's leveling up so fast. Oh yeah, and I think we got a title. Yeah, we got Godly Pirate Defender and Godly Winter Defender. Look, you got Godly Winter Defender. Look at your cosmetics. What are titles? Oh yeah, I already had Godly Pirate Defender. Go to cosmetics. And go to titles. Wait, did we get any flowers? Aww.
Titles.
Godly Winter Defender.
Okay, so
Equip it.
Hey, where'd you go?
Yeah, we got to win 700 with her being AFK. Before they started doing hundreds of thousands of damage. It was scary. Alright,
I'm tired.
Oof.
I just woke up and so did you, dude.
Okay, you're not gonna heal yourself because you're about to get wrecked. Oh my gosh. Ew, he hurts.
Boy.
He just got KO'd in midair. That was sad. That was sad. Hey guys. So this is our so I announced two categories and a bunch of people joined. So let's go whoop the dungeon again. Oh yeah, I gotta post the control V stop spamming I don't know, because you don't like it much.
I'm not lagging right now. It's weird. I didn't even get to use my flipping.
These things have 2 million HP. There's no way you're killing them.
I know.
Unless it's 200,000.
But I won't do it.
You'll do more damage when you get better staff and better armor. Is this 2 million? I don't know.
How am
Let
I
me see.
still?
Stop.
I have
moving.
level 70.
It's 2 million. I don't know. How close are you to leveling up? Actually, heal.
About this much.
No, about how close exactly?
I don't know. I can't do math.
Oh, barely any. Barely anything.
Even though I would do that if there was school at this time.
Hey, what's up, ugly? Boop. I just booped Ugly's nose. I just booped the smaller version of
You're welcome
Cannon
for
Beyond.
viewing this.
Yeah, thanks. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da.
Are we still? I do.
This area is back when my friend told me to. Oh wait, for everybody, so you know that.
Okay, thank you. Big brother.
Show. Wait.
Yeah, yeah, well, what's up, you want? Hey!
And show me your strength. Show me your strength.
Oh, yeah.
Go, sister. Go,
Here
sister.
we go.
Oh, you're slow.
Yes, I'm slow. I'm flipping slow.
Oop!
Oh,
My man's about to die. Oops!
wait, how does that happen? I was healing while being dead. How does that happen? My HP went up a bit and then it
You
died.
guys also got wrecked. That was
How
depressing.
does that happen?
Alright guys, that's the update video. We'll update when we are at, what's the next dungeon called? I can't remember. It's been a while.
Dude.
Let me see. We'll update when we're at the underworld. Bye guys.